Hi guys, welcome back. So the topic today, we will talk about the Dior Book Tote medium size. Everybody's crazy about this bag. Do I like it? Yes, but I just refuse to buy it for $3,000, something like this. Like, this is crazy. No. So I challenged myself to find this bag, a vintage version of it, for maximum $300. And you know what? I did it. Hi guys. So in today's video, I want to talk about the Dior Book Tote handbag. Yes, the medium size, because it's new. It was released, I don't know, a few months ago. I have to say that I've watched a few videos about it, but I'm not in a hunt for it. It's true that I find the big version of it a little bit big, and the small, the medium size looks more appealing to me. But when I checked the price, it was almost like $3,000, and I was like, yeah, but no, because I know I'm not going to wear you, and this is a big no for me, so I just passed on this one. But as a vintage lover and as handbag collector, I wanted to challenge myself to find a vintage version of the Dior Book Tote with a reasonable price, because I want to have this Dior Book Tote look, but without, breaking the bank. And you know what? I was able to find it. I was able to find this beauty for $300, more or less. And I found it in a Swiss website, and I was like, you are my target. I will get you, and this summer you and me, we will be strolling and living our best life. So guys, let me show you what I'm talking about. Alors, ta-da! This is my latest purchase, vintage purchase from Dior. So this is a vintage, you can see by the design, this is a real vintage handbag with the Dior canvas, the Dior Trotteur, and I just love it because it was $300, and I just think this is perfect. Of course, it's a little bit smaller than the Dior Book Tote in the medium size, but I just think that's fine, because it's not too big, it's not too small, and you have, the look, you have the vibe, and you have it without selling your lung. And this is what I like about vintage. And the most important thing is that this is not a bag that everybody has. So I know I am, I will be like feeling so special when I will wear it. So this is how it looks inside. It's very, very simple. You have the Christian Dior tag here, and yes, there is like no pockets. The bag itself is really thin. This can definitely be a work bag if you don't need much. I don't think MacBook Pro 15 inches will fit, but I think that at 30 wheel, and you can have all your things you need, etc. So I am very happy with it. I think, yeah, I will do a full review of it later because I really want, you know, this video to be short. So guys, let me know what you think about it. I agree with you, this is not a book tote. This is not supposed, you know, to replace the book tote, because this is definitely not the same bag. But I think this is a really, I mean, I paid 10%, no, 10%? Yeah, it's like 10% of the price of the book tote. And I really like it. I think I will rock this beauty to go to work, on weekends if I need an extra something with me. And yeah, Babsy goes vintage, Babsy loves vintage, and Babsy found a vintage baby again. So guys, let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to watch my others video if you like vintage, or even if you don't like, I have so many videos about new bags, so make sure you will check them. Thank you so much for watching, and gros bisous. I see you in my next video. Bye.